Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Teguh Rasya Afrian. In today's video, I want to tell about my journey of learning English. Starting from when I was in elementary school, the junior high school, and finally senior high school. For some people, learning English might seem easy, but for me, this journey was not that simple. It was full of ups and downs. There were times when I felt very excited and motivated, but there were also moments when I feel tired, frustrated, and even wanted to give up. Elementary school. When I was in elementary school, that was the first time I learned English. At first, I was really curious because English sound cool and different. We learned it very basic things like number, color, animal, fruit, and objects around us. For example, I learned to say 1, 2, 3, or red, blue, but sometimes I can't pronounce the word correctly. I remember one time I said a word wrong and my friend like that. It made me feel shy and embarrassed. But my teacher said, "Don't worry, it's okay to make mistakes." That advice stayed in my heart until now. Even Chuck did understand much back then. That was the beginning of my English journey. I started to realize that English was not only a school subject, it was a way to connect with people around the world. Junior high school. When I entered junior high school, things became more serious. We started learning grammar, tense, and sentence structure. To be honest, this was the hardest part for me. Sometimes I could tell the difference between is or when to use do and do's. It feels so confusing. I remember getting low scores on some English tests, and I feel really disappointed. I thought maybe English was for me, but slowly I realized that the problem was the length. It was my mindset. I tried to change my way of learning. I began to watch simple English video, repeat the words, and try to understand short sentence. I start to write small notes in English like "I'm happy today" or like learning English. Even though my progress was slow, I began to feel a little bit more confident. Senior high school. When I go to senior high school, finally start to enjoy learning English more. I realized how important English is in today's world. It's used in movie, songs, games, technology, and even in social media. So I tried to make learning English part of my daily life. I watch English movie and tried not to use subtitle. At first I didn't understand much, but I keep trying. I listen to English song and search for the lyric so I could sing along. I even talk to myself. I front of the mirror in English. I was funny, but it really helped me practice speaking. There were still times when I made mistakes, and sometimes I felt in the same time I felt embarrassed when my pronunciation was wrong. But this time I didn't give up because I learned that every mistake means progress. But by bit my English start to improve. I could understand more word, make sentence more easily, and even help my friend with their homework sometimes. Now I can say that my English journey was not easy, but I was worth it. Every challenge, every mistake, and every difficult lesson helped me grow. I learned that the learning and language takes time, patience, and practice. It's okay to be slow. It's okay to be mistake. What's important is that we don't stop trying. Until now, I'm still learning because I believe that language learning never really ends. There is always something new to learn, new word, new accents, new experience. Everyone, so for all of you who are also learning English, please don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Don't be shy to speak, and don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey and their own pace. Keep practicing every day. Try watching English video, reading simple story, or talking to your friend in English. Have a little progress. Every day will bring you closer to your goal. Remember, practice makes progress. So that my story about learning English from elementary school, junior highs, and senior high school. A journey full of struggle, laughter, and value. Listen, I hope my story can motivate all of you who are still on your journey to always believe in yourself and never stop learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.